morning, respected Brother Lawrence, teachers and students. Today's assembly is presented by Class 7B, based on Goal 4 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, quality education. It aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all by the year 2030. Education is the foundation for progress in every other area, be it poverty, health, gender equality, or peace. But more than just schooling, quality education means helping every child reach their full potential emotionally, morally, and intellectually. Let us take a deeper look at what this really means and how we as students are a part of this global goal.
Quality education is not about simply attending school or passing exams. It's about learning with meaning and purpose, developing creativity and problem-solving skills. Exists for every child, regardless of gender, wealth, or location. Education that empowers individuals to contribute to society. A truly educated person doesn't just go well. They think, feel, question, care, and act with responsibility.
Now, let us bow our heads for a short prayer. O source of all wisdom and light, help us value learning, not just as a duty, but as a gift. May we gain knowledge that opens our minds and compassion that opens our hearts. Bless our teachers, parents, and guides. Let no child be denied the right to learn. May we grow into learners who lead with purpose and serve with kindness. Amen. Om Shanti. Satnam Vaheguru.
All great religions and philosophies emphasizes education. Hinduism teaches that knowledge is the path to liberation. Christianity sees Jesus as a teacher, sharing wisdom through parables that touch hearts and minds. Islam places high value on learning. The first word revealed in the Quran was Iqra, meaning read. Buddhism teaches that the right understanding leads to right living. Sikhism honors learning and sharing knowledge as sacred. True learning uplifts not only the learner but society at large.
Challenges in achieving quality education. While the goal is noble, the path is not easy. 258 million children around the world are still out of school. Many face discrimination, poverty, or conflict that blocks access to education. Even where schools exist, the quality of education may be poor. With outdated methods and rote learning, digital learning has created a digital divide where many lack devices or internet access. Goal 4 challenges us to not leave anyone behind and to transform education for today's world.
Schools are powerful change makers in achieving Goal 4. A good school is not just a place for exams, but a space for dialogue, creativity, fairness, and dreams. Teachers shape minds and nurture values, but students are the real torchbearers of this goal. How we can help in achieving Goal 4? By learning with sincerity and honesty, by helping peers who may be struggling, by respecting every classmate regardless of background, by treating education as a privilege, not a pressure. We must become not just consumers of education, but champions of it.
What we can do, a student's role. No step is too small when it comes to making education meaningful. Read beyond textbooks. Explore the world of ideas. Be inclusive. Invite the quiet child into conversations. Support a cause. Donate old books. Volunteer to teach. Celebrate learning. Don't just compete. Collaborate. Speak responsibly. What should uplift, not discourage? Let's be learners who build, not just code.
rise together to take this pledge. Please repeat after me. I pledge to value and pursue quality education. I will learn with honesty. Curiosity. And purpose. I will help others to learn. And never leave anyone behind. I will respect my teachers and classmates. I will read. Think. Question. And grow. I will use my knowledge for good of others. I will be responsible student. At school. At home. And in the world. Together. We commit to building a brighter. More educated future.
The whispers of a book, hidden in pages, quiet and deep, dreams awaken from silent sleep. Not just numbers, names or date, but truths that open every gate. Books don't shout, they softly guide, planting strength and hope inside. Open your mind, read with grace, you'll find your world, your time, your place. Thank you.
Quality education is not just goal 4 of the United Nations. It is the goal of every human life to grow, to serve and to make a difference. Let us not forget, education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. May we carry that power wisely, today and every day.
Somewhere, there's a 5-year-old who can cure this. A 4-year-old with a solution for this. A 6-year-old who can make a difference. But first, they need the opportunity to go to school. Together, we can unlock big change.
Now I request Brother Lawrence to kindly address the assembly.
Good morning, my dear students and fellow teachers. First of all, I can congratulate the class teacher of 7B, Rakesh sir, along with all the students of 7B for conducting such a beautiful assembly. I hope you were listening because this assembly had a very big message for all of us. What was the message? What was the assembly about?
Quality education.
Quality education. It is goal number? Goal number 4 of what? SDG. What is SDG? Perfect. Very good. Sustainable Development Goals. Who has created these? United Nations. United Nations has given us how many goals? 17 goals, and goal number 4 is SDG. Some other goals are eliminate poverty, eliminate hunger, okay, access to clean water, access to good health. Such 17 goals are there. And what is the target? By which year should we all achieve these goals? 2000? excellent. So coming back to quality education, students, I know that all of you sitting here, you are privileged to get quality education at SEM. We have a lot of facilities, good campus, big campus, playing fields, library, computer rooms, and more important, dedicated teachers who teach you. On the contrary, there are many places in India where students don't get quality education. I still remember I was in a remote place in Arunachal where students had to appear for the same exam as the students in cities. Students who have no proper facilities have to appear for the same board exam as you all. So isn't that a bit impartial? Okay, there's partiality there, okay, no equality. And that's where the goal is to give everyone, no matter where you come from, what's your background, which state you belong to, everyone should get quality education. So in that case, what is your role when it comes to everyone getting quality education? One, you have got the opportunity to study well, and as the student said, studying well is not just reading question answers, but reading different things, reading storybooks, preparing yourself well, acquiring a lot of various knowledge from various subjects. Prepare yourself for a better future. Okay? So your job is to prepare yourself, get proper good quality education, and in that time when you're getting quality education, treat all your fellow classmates with respect. Just because you are good doesn't mean that someone else is not good. So you need to study well and you need to support your fellow classmates. That's your role. And then in the future, wherever you are, you need to make sure that other students who don't get good education, you will advocate for it. You will tell your parents, village leaders, locality leaders to pay attention to other schools which have no good facility, to improve the standards of those schools. And in the future, wherever you are working, you will need to make sure that you promote quality education. Once again, thank you, students of 7B, for such a beautiful assembly. Thank you, students.